Okay, today we're going to be replacing the reverse and turn signal lights on this 2021 Genesis G70. I've got some of Lasfit's most premium LED drop-in replacements. These are supposed to be no error, so it corrects for the resistance of the bulb being different from the halogen bulb, as well as the wattage being different, and so you should enjoy them just like factory, but you're going to have a much more premium new look with these. On the G70 you have two covers here, one on the right side and one on the left, which cover the brake light access holes. That's what you're going to use in order to change the bulbs. Once you take the panel off, you're going to discover that there are three bolts holding this on. The other is behind this connector just here, and this is the plug. You can press on the bottom tab to unclip. In order to take these off, you just need to take and grab the housing in this area and over here and pull towards the back of the car, just straight back, and that will release the clips. Once you have this tail light off, this is going to be your turn signal bulb. This is going to be your reverse bulb. So this is your turn signal, this is your reverse bulb. One thing to know when you're removing these bulbs, you push and twist. Now it's very difficult to demonstrate with one hand, but you push down and twist to unlock and lock it from the socket. And when you're changing the reverse bulb over here, it's actually more simple. It just slides in and out. There's no twisting or turning, just pull firmly on the bulb to release and install. Installation is just the opposite of a removal. Line up the guide pins and very carefully slide it in, noting that the screws are going into the body holes, and push gently. If you feel some resistance, just check to make sure you've got that tail light aligned. Let's see the difference. Wow. It's hard to overstate how much brighter the driver's side, the new bulbs are.